Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Study Platform. So today's topic is Top 10 Delhi University College. Delhi University DU, the dream of every student, and uh, it is the dream of every CBSE topper also. And every year CBSE topper take admission in this college. So the ranking of DU is 13 in university, means in this list all the universities are included. Now rank 20 overall means in this list IITs, NITs, BITS, Planis, like this all colleges are included. Now let's start the video. Top 10 is Kirolimal College, that is KMC. Its NRF ranking is 18. It is in North Campus and it is a co-ed college. Now this is some of the photos of KMC you can see here. These are some of the famous alumni of KMC, Amitabh Bachchan sir, Satyaj Kaushik sir and many others. Now this is the cutoff for science for KMC. Now in this you can see that for statistics it is 97 for general and like this 96 for OBC, and now like this decreases. Now for zoology it is 97.33. In point to be noted here that like this the cutoff, if the cutoff is open, if the seats are left for the second cutoff, then this will be 97 most probably, means there is only change of 0.33 marks. 0.33 percentage means 1 marks, and every year like this only happens, like this only there is a difference of only 1 marks in first and second cutoff list. Now like this all this is for mathematics 97, 96.90 like this, and like this overall 8 cutoff are officially released, and after that if seats are left then more cutoffs are released. Now for arts and commerce this is the cutoff, you can have a look here. Now the next college is DDU, Deen Dayal Upadhyay College. Its NRF ranking is 16. It is a college which is situated in South Campus. You can have a look on cutoff here. It is physics 97 and I think it will be close around 95 or something. For DDU or many other college also the seats are open up to 4th or 5th cutoff list, so there is more chances that you can have admission in it. Have a look on this cutoff. This is for arts and commerce. There is only 2 courses for arts and commerce here, 2 main courses. I think many more courses will be there, but I only included few. But there is no BA in Hindi and BA history in this college, or BCom, normal BCom, so you can have a look on it. The next college is ARSD, Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College. Its NRF is 14. Some of famous alumni here. These are the fest photos. You can have a look on its cutoff. This is the cutoff for arts and commerce. Now this is Gargi College. It is also a girls college and it is situated in South Campus. Its NRF ranking is 12. Here are some photos from Gargi College. These are the famous alumni of Gargi College. Now this is the cutoff for science. You can have a look here. This is for arts and commerce. Now the next college is Hansraj College. It is also a co-ed college and it is situated in North Campus. Its NRF ranking is 9. These are some of the photos of Hansraj College, and it is the wall photo, the most famous point or the center of attraction of Hansraj College. These are the famous alumni of Hansraj College. These are the cutoff for arts and commerce. For science it is here. Please like the video and do comment your dream college and your questions. Next college is SRCC. It is literally the best college for the one who want to pursue commerce, as it is a co-ed college. Some of famous alumni of SRCC is here. These are the cutoff for SRCC. This is the first cutoff. Here it is 98.5 for general, and for OBC it is 96.5, and this is the second cutoff for the same. It is 98, means 0.5 difference, and this is for OBC, and then it is closed. You can see for BA Economics it is closed. The second cutoff, in second cutoff the seats are full. The next college is LSR, the Lady Shri Ram College. It is a girls college. Here's some famous alumni of LSR. These are the cutoff for LSR. St. Stephen College. Now for this college, the admission procedures are different. Means the cutoff are released different. It relieve a different form for its admission, and there is an interview process for this college. Here's one famous alumni of St. Stephen. Like this, the cutoff of St. Stephen is released. Now Hindu College. It is the best college for boys, and literally taking admission is Hindu college is really a tough fight, as the cutoff are very high. These are some of the famous alumni of Hindu College. See the cutoff, it is 98.5, and these are less. I will show you for Pol Science. See, for Pol Science it is 99% for general, and it is not like that it will go less like 97, 96. No, in first term exam, second cutoff it is full. For taking admission in Hindu, you literally want a high cutoff, a high percentage, as the cutoff are literally very high. And like that, you can see for this year Pol Science is 99, and I think it is close on 98 point something. And most of the time in Hindu college, in second cutoff only, the seats are full. This for physics it is 98.33, for journal 97.33, and like this. And in second or third cutoff list, maximum second, it's close. Now the Miranda House, it's a girls college, and not only DU, it is India's #1 college since last 3 years. And these are for some of the famous alumni of Miranda House. This is the cutoff for Miranda House. BA Economics, English, History, and other. You can have a look on it. For Pol Science it is 98, in Miranda it is less. As it is a girls college, therefore also the cutoff is less, as the number of students we want more, so the cutoff are generally less in Miranda. According to Hindu have a very high cutoff. For physics it is 97 and 97.67 for OBC, and this time, if I'm not wrong, in third cutoff all the courses are filled for Miranda. For physics it is 95 last for OBC, and I think it's 96 point something, and it is closed in second for journal, and in third it is last for OBC. And for chemistry also it is closed around 94, and it is 95 something, it is closed for Miranda also. You can have a look on it. This is for zoology and botany. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and please comment all your question in the comment box. We will answer it. And please, if you want any video on a different college, means you want a separate video for a separate college, then you can comment down. We will try to make it. Thank you. Please subscribe.